Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to create your AAB file that is required for upload on Play Store. So when you want to upload your app to Play Store or Play Console, you are required to upload an APK or AAB file, but it's mostly advisable to go with the AAB file version for the upload. So first thing to do is to open your Android Studio or whatever ID you are using to create your app. Then the next thing is to choose your project and open the project that you want to create the AAB file for. Then the next thing is to make sure the project is built. Okay, so the next thing is to go to your Gradle, your build.gradle folder, and go to your build.gradle folder and then confirm your version code if it is accurate or correct, if you want to increase it or decrease it. For this tutorial we're using Android Studio, so you update this. So once you want to use version 1 as is the first version of app you want to upload. If you're uploading a new version, you have to increase this to maybe 1.1 or 1.2 and increase it to maybe 2, 3 or whatever you want to increase it to. So the next thing to do is, after you have done this, is to go to your build, generate signed app bundle /apk. Then you select the Android app bundle, not the APK, the Android app bundle. Then the next thing you do is click on next. So you click on create new. So it asks for a key store path. It's asking for your key store path. So you click on this icon here. So you choose your key store path, which I want to do now. Like, the key store path means where it will keep the key store file for signing the app. So you give it a name. You click on next, and that's all. So you put a password, you come up with a password. Don't forget this password, you can keep it somewhere. What I like to do is to create a txt file on my system. So you put first name and last name, you can put that here. Organization unit, organization, city or location, you put it there. Put your city or location there. State of province, you put your state of province there. Then the country code, you put it there. Then click on OK. So as you can see now, it has generated the key store file with the key store file name, and then you've put it has automatically put the password there. So you can ask it to remember password, but we still have to go and create our txt file for future reference. So we have this here. We keep this as our jks password and the name of our jks file. So for future reference. So we come back here, we click on next. So you have to click on either you want to debug file or release file. So we want the release file, the release that is required for uploading the app to Play Store. So we click on the release, we click on create. So as you can see, said Gradle build running. To wait for some time depending on the complexity and how robust your project is, and depending on how fast your internet connection through is. So it will build this. So just have to wait. I will pause this and continue once it's done. So now we are done. As you can see, it said generate signed bundle, app bundle generated successfully for mobile app. So you click on this locate here to get the release version. Click on locate, and here you go. So with this file, you just have to copy it and go to your Play Store, Play Console account, and then drag and drop it or select it for upload, and you are good to go.